Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix two most popular issue that you can meet in After Effects. After some research on Google, I found out that Roto brush and 3D camera issue are the most searched topics, and I agree with Google, cause I'm having these two issues while editing daily. Let's begin with Roto brush issue. Once you grab a Roto brush tool and begin selecting the car, nothing happens and then this error message appears. That happens because your clip's frame rate and a frame rate of composition mismatch. To fix it, I will delete Roto brush effect and let's go back to our composition first. Now go to your project tab to check your video's resolution and frame rate. In my case my video is 60 frames per second and my composition is created at 25 frames per second. To fix it, click on composition and select composition settings. I will change my composition's frame rate to 60 to match my video's frame rate. Now let's grab a Roto brush tool and let's try making a selection again. Nice, the issue is solved. Now let's jump to 3D camera tracker issue. Once you have clicked on a track camera and waiting for analyzing for hours and then see that it failed and didn't show any tracking points on your video, it's getting to be a bit annoying cause that happens almost all the time. And then you begin looking for tutorials how to solve this issue and finally find out that some people suggest to delete After Effects and install it again, and then you think, okay, I don't need 3D tracker on that clip anymore. Cause you really don't want to install After Effects again and again when it fails tracking your video. And yes, I was that guy who followed that useless recommendations and failed again. So, the moral is, do not believe everyone and everything you see on internet. Now let me save your time and let me show you the easiest solution. Right-click on composition here and click on view options. Make sure to toggle on layer controls and click on OK. Your problem is solved. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.